Functions Lecture 9.
Hi, hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the few problems. See here, let f of x is equal to nx plus n minus step of nx plus n plus tan pi x by 2. So here n belongs to n, then you want to find the period of the function. See here, so given f of x is equal to what? Nx plus n minus step of nx plus n plus tan pi x by 2. Here n belongs to natural number. Here n belongs to natural number. So one property is there in step function. Here that property, step of x plus n is equals to step x plus n when if n is integer. So here n is integer. So clearly here n belongs to what? Natural number. So therefore this can be written as nx plus n minus step nx minus n plus tan pi x by 2. See here both n should be cancelled. Now nx minus step nx. So you know that fractional part of x. So how to write fractional part of x? X minus step x. So this is the fractional part of x. So clearly this can be written as fractional part of nx plus tan pi x by 2. Now you want to find the period of this function. So you know that period of fractional part of x is 1. You know? So 1 by quotient of x is 1. So this is the period of fractional part of x. But here nx is there. Therefore, period of this function. So period is what? 1 by n. And period of this function. So tan x period is pi. So clearly this can be written as pi by 2. So here 1 by n comma 2. So 2 by 1. So for this you want to find a period. So therefore period of f of x is equal to LCM of numerator by GCD of denominator. So this is the one condition for finding the period of the function. See here, what is the LCM for numerator? 2 is the LCM. And what is the GCD for denominator? Clearly 1. Therefore, 2 is the period of the given function. F is periodic and G is the polynomial function. And f of g of x is periodic. So here g of 2 and g of 4 values are given. Then you want to find g of x. First you want to find the polynomial equation of g of x. So let g of x is equal to linear equation. So you see here f is periodic and g is polynomial. So f of g of x is periodic. Therefore clearly g of x is the linear function. Now what is given? G of 2 is 3 and g of 4 is 7. Substitute here. 2a plus b is equal to 3 and here 4a plus b is equal to 7. Now solving these two equations we get minus 2a is equal to minus 4. And what is the a value? A value is 2. A value is, so substitute here, what you get? 2 into 2. 4 plus b is equal to 3. So b value is minus 1. Therefore given polynomial equation is what? Ax plus b, that is ax 2x, b value is minus 1. Now you want to find g of 6 value. So what is g of 6? 12 minus 1, that is 11. So g of 6 value is 11. So see the next question. Find the domain of the function 3 by 4 minus x square and log x cube minus x base 10. See our solution. So given function is 3 by 4 minus x square plus log of x cube minus x base 10. So clearly it in the form of 1 by f of x. So clearly denominator is not is equals to 0. So 4 minus x square is not is equals to 0. So this is one condition. And it in the form of log f of x. So what are the conditions for log f of x? So clearly f of x is greater than 0. So that is x cube minus x is greater than 0. Now this is x is plus not is equal to plus or minus 2. Now this is x is common. You get x square minus 1. So that can be written as x plus 1 into x minus 1. It is greater than 0. So you want to find values of x for this inequations. See here, for this you want to draw the real line and locate the points minus 1, 0 and 1. And they substitute the values of x. For example, above 1, if you substitute x is equals to 2, so what you get here? 2, 2 plus 1, positive, 2 minus 1, positive. So clearly above 1, this expression is gets positive sign. And substitute between 0 to 1. For example, 0 0.5. 0 0.5, 0 0.5 plus 1, positive. 0 0.5 minus 1, negative. So you get negative sign between 0 to 1. And substitute between minus 1 to 0. So for example, minus 0 0.5. Minus 0 0.5. This is negative. 1 minus 0 0.5. Positive. Next, minus 0 0.5, this one, you get negative. So clearly outcome is positive. Now substitute below minus 1. For example, minus 2. Negative, negative, negative. You get negative sign. But this expression is positive. Where it is positive? Above 1 is positive. Below 0 means between minus 1 to 0 is positive. So therefore here x belongs to minus 1 comma 0 union 1 to infinity. So this is the values of x. But here x is not is equal to plus or minus 2. Means x is not is equal to 2. X is not is equal to minus 2. So here 2 is not included. So for this you can write therefore domain is x belongs to minus 1 comma 0 union 1 comma 2 union 2 comma infinity. Now see the next question. Question number 4. So given function is 1 minus square root of 1 minus square root of 1 minus x square. So clearly in the form of root f of x. Root f of x values are always greater than or equals to 0. So therefore 1 minus square root of 1 minus square root of 1 minus x square values are greater than or equals to 0. Now this is what? 1 is greater than or equals to square root of 1 minus square root of 1 minus x square. Again write as 1 is greater than or equal to 1 minus square root of 1 minus x square. Now clearly these values are get cancelled. So what you get? Square root of 1 minus x square is greater than or equals to 0. So from this 1 minus x square is greater than or equals to 0. So x square minus 1 is less than or equals to 0. So therefore x belongs to closed interval minus 1 comma 1. So this is the domain of a given function. Next one, solution 5. So what is the given function? Cos inverse 2 by 2 plus sin x. So for this you want to find domain. So clearly this value lies between minus 1 to 1. So clearly this value lies between minus 1 to 1. Now this can be written as minus 1 by 2 is less than or equal to 1 by 2 plus sin x is less than or equal to 1 by 2. So here two possibilities. One is minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to 1 by 2 plus sin x, and 1 by 2 plus sin x is less than or equal to 1 by 2. Now cross multiplications, what you get? Minus of 2 plus sin x is less than or equals to 2. Multiply with minus, what you get? 2 plus sin x is greater than or equal to minus 2, and sin x is greater than or equal to minus 4. Now here 2 is less than or equal to 2 plus sin x. So 2 get cancelled. Sin x is what? Greater than or equals to 0. Okay. Means sin x is positive. So where it is positive, so draw the coordinate axis, x axis, y axis. So in this 90 minus theta, next 360 plus theta. So here 90 plus theta and 180 minus theta. So clearly sin is positive in both first and second quadrants. So means 0 to pi. So therefore x belongs to closed interval 0 to pi. So this is the domain of given function. So option 3. So see our next question. X belongs to R. Step of x minus step x is 5. See is the solution. So x minus step x. So this value is 5 is given. Now x minus step x is what? Fractional part of x. So step of fractional part of x is 5. So it is given. But range of fractional part of x is what? Range of fractional part of x is closed 0 comma open 1. Now substitute the values of this. If you substitute 0, this is 0, 0 0.1, 0, 0 0.5, 0. But this is not possible because of range of this is closed interval 0 to 1. So clearly it is empty set. See the next solution, 7th. See here f of n is given, f from n to n. F of n is, if n is equal to 3k, value is 2. If n is equal to 3k plus 1, value is 10 minus n. If n is equal to 3k plus 2, value is 0. And n belongs to n, f of n is greater than 2 is. See here, what are the f of n values are always greater than 2. See here, if you put any value of n, here value is 2. So clearly this is not possible. And last one is 0. But here greater than 2. So this is also not possible. So only possible value is middle one. See here, for example, if k is equal to 0. So what you get n value? N is equal to 1. In that case 10 minus 1. So what is f of 1? 9. So clear it is greater than 2. And if k is equal to 1, so what you get here? N is equal to 4. So f of 4, 10 minus 4, 6. This is also greater than 2. If k is equal to 2, so what is n value? 7 only now. Now f of 7 is 3. So this is also possible. If k is equal to 4, now n is equal to how much? 13. But f of 13 is what? 10 minus 13 minus 3. This is not possible. So only possible values are 1, 4, 7. So clearly option 2. Now see the next question. Here alpha belongs to 0 to pi by 2. Then you want to find this value. That value is always greater than equal to what? See here clearly these functions are reciprocal. When the functions are reciprocal, we have to apply arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean. See here, square root of x square plus 6 plus tan square alpha. So divide by square root of x square plus 6. Now apply am is greater than or equal to gm. So what is this? Square root of x square plus 6 plus tan square alpha. So divide by square root of x square plus 6 by 2 is greater than or equals to square root of product of these two. Okay. So what you get? Tan square alpha. Now this is square root of x square plus 6 plus tan square alpha by square root of x square plus 6 is greater than or equals to 2 tan alpha. So means this value is always greater than or equal to 2 tan alpha. If sin square alpha is there, then value is greater than or equal to 2 sin alpha. For example, tan alpha is equal to 1. In that case, this function is always greater than or equal to 2. So you know the one condition, f of x plus 1 by f of x. If the functions are reciprocal, then the range of this function is closed interval 2 to infinity, because of it is always greater than or equals to 2. Okay. But here tan square is there, write tan alpha. Okay. See here question number 9. So find the range of sin square x plus cos power 4x. See here given function f of x is equal to sin square x plus cos power 4x. See here sin square x. So cos power 4x write as cos square x into 1 minus sin square x. Now sin square x plus cos square x is 1 minus sin square x into cos square x. So sin square x, cos square x. So this can be written as 1 minus 1 by 4 sin square 2x. Okay. So you know the range of sin square x. So what is the range of sin square x? Closed interval 0 to 1. So this is the range of sin square x. So first you put 0. If sin square 2x is 0, then f of x is 1. If sin square 2x is 1, then what is f of x value? 1 minus 1 by 4. That is 3 by 4. Therefore, range is closed interval 3 by 4 comma 1. This is the range of a given function. So next question number 10. So f of x is equal to mod x and g of x is equal to step of x minus 3. Now find g of f of x. So that is the composite function. So in that x values are lies between minus 8 by 2, 8 by 5. See here. So what is g of f of x? So this is g of mod x. Now g of x is step x minus 3. So this can be written as step of mod x minus 3. So this is the composite function and that value is step of mod x minus 3. But here x values are, x belongs to minus 8 by 5. That is minus 1.6 to 1.6. So in this interval, you want to find a composite function. So for example, if you put x is equal to 0, so what you get? At x is equal to 0, so g of f of x value, step of minus 3, you get minus 3. If x is equal to some 0.5, see here 0.5 minus 3, that is minus 2.5. Now step of minus 2.5 is minus 3. For example, x is equal to 0.9. 0.9 minus 3 minus 2.1. So in that case also you get minus 3. If you put x is equals to 1, so what you get? 1 minus 3 minus 2. So in this case, g of f of x value is minus 2. If you put x is equal to 1.5, 1.5 minus 3 minus 1.5. So step of minus 1.5 is minus 2. So clearly you get only two solutions that are minus 2 and minus 3. So clearly option 3. So see the next question. If f and g are two functions, so g of x is given and a composite function, that is f circle g of x is given. Now you want to find f of x. See here. So g of x is equals to x minus 1 by x and f circle g of x. So what is this? X cube minus 1 by x cube. Now it in the form of a cube minus b cube. So clearly this can be written as x minus 1 by x whole cube plus 3x into 1 by x, that is 3, into x minus 1 by x. So clearly f circle, that is f of g of x, is what? X minus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 into x minus 1 by x. But g of x is given, that is x minus 1 by x. So clearly from these two you can say that f of x value is x cube plus 3x. So this is the f of x value. Now see the next question. Question number 12. So here also both functions are given. Assume that a is 1, b is 2 and two composite functions f circle g of x and g circle f of x are equal. Then what can you say about c and d? See here, f circle g of x is equal to g circle f of x. Now this can be written as f of g of x is equal to g of f of x. So what is g of x value? Cx plus d. F of x value is ax plus b. So that is f of cx plus d is equal to g of ax plus b. Now again x replace cx plus d in f of x. So that is a into cx plus d plus b. Here g of ax plus b, x replace ax plus b. That is c into ax plus b plus d. Okay. Now here a is 1, b is 2. Substitute here. A is equals to 1, b is equals to 2. So what you get? Cx plus d plus b. B value is how much? 2. And cx plus bc, that is 2c plus d. So here if you substitute c is equals to 1, if c is equals to 1, so what you get? X plus d plus 2 is equal to x plus 2 plus d. Both are equal, but here d is any value. If d is any value, these two functions are equal. So clearly values of c is 1 and d is any arbitrary. Okay. G from R to R and g of x is 3 plus 4x and g power n of x is g circle and so on. G of x, g power n of x is equal to a plus bx. Then you want to find a and b are. Here solution, g of x is equal to 3 plus 4x. If n is equals to 2, then what do you get? G circle g of x. If you find g circle g of x, then this can be written as g of x. Okay. So how to write this? G of 3 plus 4x. Now again this is 3 plus 4 into 3 plus 4x. This is 15 plus 16x. So how to write this function? 4 square minus 1 plus 4 square x. So for example, g circle g of x. So similarly this can be written as 4 cube minus 1 plus 4 cube x and so on. G circle means g power n of x. So what is that value? 4 power n minus 1 plus 4 power n x. Now clearly it in the form of a plus bx. So a value is 4 power n minus 1 and b value is 4 power n. So clearly option 2. 14th one. So this is the step function and you want to find this value. See here what is 1 by 2 value? 0.5 and 1 by 1000 is 0.00 something. So clearly this total value is 0.5 something. So this becomes 0 and this one also 0. So this is 2 by. Okay. Now therefore 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1000 plus 1 by 2 plus 2 by 1000 and so on. 1 by 2 plus 499 by 1000. So this value is 0. Now next, so what is the next value? 1 by 2 plus 500 by 1000. So plus step of 1 by 2 plus 501 by 1000. So plus and so on. Step of 1 by 2 plus what is the last value? 999 divided by 1000. So here 500 by 1000 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1. So this value is 1 plus 0.5 plus 0.600. So this value also 1 and the next value also 1 and so on. This last value also 1. So clearly how many values here? So total 500. So 500 is the answer. F from closed interval minus 3 to 3 to R and f of x is given. So that is odd function. Then you want to find the value of p. So what is the odd function? If f of minus x is equal to minus f of x, so in that case f of x is said to be odd function. See here 15th one. So given f of x is odd function, so therefore f of minus x is equals to minus f of x. Now substitute the value of f of x. So replace x by minus x. So what you get? Minus x cube. Sine of minus x is minus sine x plus step of x square plus 2 by a is equal to minus f of x. So what is that? Minus x cube minus sine x minus x square plus 2 by a. So clearly this term should be cancelled. Now this is 2 times of this. So 2 times of x square plus 2 by a is 0. So therefore what you get? Step of x square plus 2 by a is 0. Means this value should be 0. So whenever it is possible. So what are the x values? Domain values. So that are lies between minus 3 to 3. So clearly that value, greater value is 3 only. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. So 11 by a is 0. So whenever it is 0, if you put a is equals to 11, so 11 by 11 is 1. Step of 1 is not equals to 0. If you put less than 1, for example 10, 11 by 10 is how much? 1 point something. So that also not equals to 0. If you put a is greater than 11, so means for example a is equals to 12, 11 by 12 is 0 point something. So clearly step of 0 point something is 0. So therefore value of a is always greater than 11. So see the next question. So here f of x plus y is f of x into f of y. Both x and y are real numbers. F of 0 is not equal to 0. Then g of x is what? See here f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. If you put x is equal to y is equal to 0, so what you get? F of 0. F of 0 into f of 0. So f of 0 whole square. So this is what? F of 0 is common. You get 1 minus f of 0. So clearly it is given this is not is equals to 0. So therefore 1 minus f of 0 value is 0. F of 0 is 1. So this is f of 0 value. Now here replace y by minus x. See here. Replace y by minus x. So what you get? This is 0. So f of 0 and f of x. So f of minus 6. So what is this value? 1. So therefore f of x value is 1 by f of minus 6. This is another thing. Now you want to find g of x. So what is g of x? F of x by 1 plus f of x whole square. So you want to find this is either even or odd or neither even or odd. So here for that you want to find g of minus 6. So what is g of minus 6? Replace x by minus 6. So you get f of minus 6. So divide by 1 plus f of minus x whole square. So what is f of minus x in this? 1 by f of x. Now substitute here. So 1 by f of x. So divide by 1 plus 1 by f of x whole square. Okay. Now this is f of x by 1 plus f of x whole square. So what is this function? G of x. So therefore g of minus x is what? G of x. So in this case g of x is even function. So clearly option 1. So solve these problems. For next session we will discuss more problems.